Hello guys, welcome to a new session and a fresh video. In this, we will talk about why automation testing is required. As we know, automation testing is used widely across the globes in the IT companies, whether it is mobile automation, browser automation, API automation. Okay, so the main reason behind it, why we use it, because it reduces the manpower, the cost of manual testers, which is very high actually. Automation test using automation testing, we can perform all the tests within a frame of time which manual tester cannot complete. So we will go through all the benefits one by one. So what are their benefits of automation testing compared to the manual testing one? So I have categorized them basis of uh, few points. Okay, so we will discuss each point by point. First of all, automation saves time and money. Suppose for any project, suppose if we take example of a web automation. In this web automation, around 10 testers are required, but if we use the automation testing, 2 automation testers are enough. Well, if we take one thing in account, like if automation tester are performing their test in 1 hour of around 1000 test cases parallelly, so those time taken by the manual guys which are testing the application manually will be comparatively lower. Like manual testers are performing regression testing, they will take around 6 hours to complete, while automation we can do it in only 2 hours. And the budget and the money which are required for the manual testers for 10%, it will be very high. But if we take only 2 automation tester, testers, so the budget comparatively it will be very low. So this was our first point. Moving on to the second point, accuracy. See, there is a probability with manual tester that there is a chance that they can commit the mistakes while testing, or there will be a unforeseen issues or a miss something from tester. It's usual, it happens. But in case of automation testing, they are already programmed in such a manner that none of the areas will be skipped. So the accuracy in the test automation plays a very vast role, and test automation are 100% have 100% accurate steps. Moving on to the next point, test coverage. Test coverage is very high in automation testing compared to the manual testing, because there are some lengthy scenarios are there in testing. Some of the tester are not able to cover them. If they are doing it, there are the chances that they can miss a few areas, so it will lead to a faulty build, or the build may fail in the production. But in case of test automation, we can cover the lengthy scenarios and the repeating scenarios. Okay, so there will not be any probability of any miss or any kind. Moving on to the next one, multiple platforms in parallel. I mean to say that if we are having 5 resources and those resources keep on working, like two manual testers will be working on Chrome browser, one will be working on Safari, one will be working on Firefox browser, another one will be working on Opera browser. Suppose I am taking an example, but in case of automation testing, uh, we can opt out from this issue. In automation testing, we can manually do all the we can manually set up all the test case execution parallelly. Means at the same time when the test case is executing, we can run our test case parallelly on the different kind of browsers, so it will again save the time. Smoke test. So as you know, whenever we receive a build in the early phases of the development, so smoke testing plays a very important role. Smoke testing is that our build is further testable is not after doing a full in-depth testing of a build. So this is known as a smoke testing. So we can automate our test scenarios using of smoke testing and run a test automation on our build. So in we can find out and figure out whether our build is further testable or not. So this will be a +1 point for us. Moving on to the next point, distributed test executions. Like I have explained in the parallel test execution, we can distribute our test across several platforms. Like we want to execute 50 of our test cases in Chrome, 50 of our test cases in Firefox browser. And if we take another example, like if we want to execute our test case into our Mac OS and half of our test case I want to execute in Windows OS or a Linux OS. So we can distribute all those test cases. Again, it will be reducing the efforts of the manual testers. So this is the benefit in distributed test execution. So moving on to the next point, test reports. Yeah, test reports plays a very important role in a testing, and it is the highest demanding deliverable in testing. So if we take example of manual testing, when all the manual tester perform their all testing activities, after that they waste their time in drafting out the entire report of their test execution, which is a time consuming process again. But again, if we take the example of test automation, in test automation, after the completion of all the reports, the test reports is automatically generated, which is again a helpful scenario for us, and it is time saving again. Moving on to the next benefit of automation testing, complex and lengthy test scenarios. So what is it? Suppose there is a test scenario, it's very lengthy end-to-end test, so manual tester will be confused in doing testing of these complex scenarios, because there are around 15 pages in between, and in which if there is a miss, it will lead to a build failure, okay, or a production bug. Okay, so in that case, if we automate the complex scenario, then it can be easily completed with the help of our automation testing. And lengthy scenarios, the test case, which is taking around 20 minutes to execute for a manual tester, we can reduce the time of execution by using the test automation. So here we have the bonus point again for the complex and lengthy test scenarios. Moving on to the next point. So guys, I think I have covered most of the thing in this video. So if I miss anything or anything left to discuss in this video, I request you to post it into the comments channel. We can further discuss it. So this is my first video and I am feeling less confident here. So hope you will enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.